top 5 evergreen trends in April. Hey, what's up guys, my name is John. Thank you all very much for tuning in, and today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 evergreen trends in the month of April. First, I will explain what I mean by evergreen trends. So evergreen, as we all know, is something that will sell all year round. It's something that is getting searched for the entire year round. But trends is something that happens in a very particular time period. It's something that will draw a lot of traffic in a very quick and small time scale. But with evergreen trends, this is a way of combining both of them, which is what I use that has got me to where I am today with my merch account. By drawing traffic from something that is trending, gaining visibility and getting your first couple of sales, and then it should start to sell all year round because it is an evergreen trend. In this video I'm going to explain exactly how I do this, and I'm also going to give you my top 5 evergreen trends of the month of April, so stick around guys. Number 5 is haiku or haiku. I'm not 100% sure how you pronounce it. And this is on the 18th of April. It is National Haiku Poetry Day. And what exactly is haiku? Haiku, as it says right here, is an ancient form of Japanese poetry which consists of 3 lines. So how can we use the idea of haiku to become an evergreen trending design? Well, it's all down to keywords. First of all, haiku is not a word you're going to use. This may even be trademarked, so make sure you do not use that. What you can do is make a design that is specifically for Japanese poetry, or make a poem with 3 lines, which is essentially a haiku. And if you do this correctly, what will happen is 2 things. First of all, you will draw traffic from the trend that happens in the 18th of April, the trend being National Haiku Poetry Day. Because your design and your keywords are targeted around a specific topic but not exactly on it, it should, if done correctly, gain traffic from this particular day. And then what happens after National Haiku Poetry Day is finished, your design should then become evergreen because you're not targeting this specific keyword which may or may not be copyrighted. You are targeting a very specific niche, which is Japanese poetry. This is an evergreen niche. It is not a trending niche. It will trend once a year on this specific day, but it's also evergreen for Japanese poets or people that enjoy Japanese poetry. This can be sold all year round. So I hope you are kind of with me at this point and you understand what I mean by evergreen trends. It is a way you can gain traffic, gain visibility, and hopefully gain your first initial sales through a trending topic, and then after this it should start to sell organically all throughout the year. Evergreen. Number 4, National Husband Appreciation Day. This is on the 20th of April, and this is for the husbands of the United States. Unfortunately in the UK we do not have this, unfortunately. But again, if you hone this correctly, you can target this trend, you can target a specific trend on a specific date. Now of course it is for husbands, so the target audience could be for wives, for spouses, partners, etc, etc. There's so many keywords that you can use to hone in on this trend. If done correctly, you can gain some real traffic and real visibility on this specific day, on a specific trend. And because it is a very specific niche, it's a very broad niche, but it's for husbands, and it's also targeting wives and partners and spouses. So it is very evergreen. It's a very evergreen topic, but there's a trending day that should push visibility for this specific subject. And if you do it correctly, you can gain visibility on your designs and you can get sales on your designs. And what happens after that is that you have gained a BSR, and with a BSR it means that it should be more visible on Amazon and should be able to sell all year round anytime someone finds this particular design, specifically wives, partners or spouses. But just make sure it is not specifically targeted for that individual day. And what I mean by that is you do not want to do a design that says National Husband Appreciation Day, because then it does specifically target that individual trend. You can make designs that will target these keywords and target this trend, but should sell all year round, becoming an evergreen trend, or at least that's the theory of it. Number 3, International Guide Dog Day. So there's so many different ways that you can target this specific trend on this specific day, which is on the 24th of April. First of all, dog lovers. Second of all, blind people with guide dogs. There's so many different ways that you can target this specific trend and build so many different evergreen designs. Blind people with guide dogs, that's a very targeted niche. and that is also going to sell all year round. It's not something that's only going to sell in one day. However, if you do your design and upload it and target the keywords correctly, then you should gain the traffic from a specific trending day. And again, if it sells, gains a BSR, then it should be an all-round, all-year-round seller, making it very evergreen. Number 2, World Malaria Day on the 25th of April. So again, on the 25th of April, this is going to be a massive trend. There's going to be so much traffic on this specific day. And you can make many different kinds of designs that are specifically targeted for this day. And it will also trend all out over the year and many years to come, because malaria awareness is a very, very big topic, which will make this a very evergreen trend. Number 1, National Superhero Day on the 28th of April. So we all know that superheroes is a very big trend. It's also a very saturated market. However, if done correctly, then you can target on a specific trend on a specific day and gain a lot of visibility and a lot of traction for your superhero designs. Because on National Superhero Day, this is going to be a massive trending topic. Now again, you do not want to target the keywords National Superhero Day, which may or may not be trademarked. But you can play around with these kind of keywords. My mum is a national superhero. My dad is a national superhero. My uncle is a national superhero. And what you're doing then is you're gaining traffic for this specific keyword on a specific trend. And once this trend is over, it becomes a very evergreen topic. It's a very evergreen niche. So that was my top 5 evergreen trends in April. So hopefully you guys understood what I was kind of trying to refer as an evergreen trend. It's a bit tough for me to kind of explain it in terms, but hopefully you kind of understood where I was coming from and what I meant, and just ways to gain traffic from things that are trending and then try and convert that into evergreen. So if you enjoyed the video, as always, a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, then make sure to subscribe, that way you'll not miss a thing. And as always guys, thank you all very much for watching. Take care, I will see you all later. Goodbye.